So welcome students. In this question you're given that three numbers x1, x2, x3 are in GP and y1, y2, y3 are also in GP. See if that is so, x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. So these 3 points lie on what? That's the question. So again very straightforward question. So if x1, x1, x2, x3 are in GP, so I can think of them as x into some small r, x into some small r square. x1, x2, x3 can be written as x, xr, xr square. Now similarly, y's can be written as y1, y2, y3 can be written as y small r square, because it's given that the common ratio of these two GPs are same. So now once you have these points, so the corresponding points are nothing but the first point becomes xy, the second point becomes xr, yr, the third point becomes xr square, yr square. Right? Now these 3 points lie on what? Again, you can very clearly see that these 3 points lie on a straight line, but let us check them. So what is the slope of the line joining these 2 points? yr minus y by xr minus x, that is equal to y by x if r minus 1 gets cancelled. What is the slope of the line joining these 2 points? yr square minus yr by xr square minus xr, that is equal to yr times r minus 1 by xr times r minus 1. So these 2 gets cancelled. This is also equal to y by x. The slope of the line joining these 2 points is same as the slope, hence these 3 points lie on a straight line. So that is the answer to this question. Thank you.